Who do you call when the chips are down? When your back is against the wall? When there's no way out and time is running out and you're heading for a fall? High in the sky, suddenly comes the hero. You can rely on him. Harold the helicopter, pride of the skies, first to the rescue, should help be required. Harold the helicopter, brave is he, courage is his name. So look to the skies, should danger arise. Look to the skies, for Harold will be there. He is a natural hero, he is guardian of the skies. And down through the years there are many tales of his courage in the skies. Out from the clouds suddenly comes the hero. We recognize that sound. Harold the helicopter, pride of the skies, first to the rescue, should help be required. Harold the helicopter, brave is he, courage is his name. So look to the skies, should danger arise. Reach for the sky, for Harold will be there. Harold the helicopter, pride of the skies, first to the rescue, should help be required. Harold the helicopter, brave is he, courage is his name. So look to the sky.